안녕하세요.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Hangul Company. Hangul is a very logical and easy to learn writing system, and mastering the consonants is the first big step. Think of each consonant as a building block for a syllable. You'll combine them with vowels later to form complete words. Today, we're starting with the first 5 Hangul consonants. Important note for beginners. Kiuk is the name of the consonant, like saying A or B in English. You use this when learning or spelling letters. Kuku is the sound the letter makes in a word, like the actual G or K sound. Example ka, go. Think of it this way: the letter has a name Kiuk and a sound ku. Both are important when reading or writing Hangul. Let's learn. Number 1.
기역, 기역, 그, 그.
A soft k sound like in go or a k sound at the end of a syllable. The shape represents the back of your tongue touching the palate. When kiuk is at the end of a syllable, it makes a short, stopped k sound. The sound is not strongly released like in English. Example: pak cut off softly at the end. Imagine closing your mouth for k but not letting out extra air. Example with the vowel a, this forms k, pronounced ga.
가.
Number 2.
니은, 느.
A soft n sound like in no. The shape represents your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms n, pronounced na.
나.
Number 3.
미음, 무.
And m sound like in mom. The shape represents a closed mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms m, pronounced ma.
마.
Number 4.
시옷, 스.
And s sound like in sun. The shape represents the side of your mouth or a tooth. Example with the vowel a, this forms s, pronounced sa.
사.
Number 5.
이응.
This is a special consonant. It has no sound at the beginning of a syllable, it's a placeholder. At the end of a syllable, it sounds like ing like in sing. Analogy: the shape represents your throat. Example with the vowel a, this forms a, pronounced a as in a.
아.
Practice time. Write each consonant with a and read aloud.
가, 나, 마, 사, 아.
Our last lesson, we learned the first 5 Korean consonants kiuk, nyun, myum, siot, and yum. Today, we're going to complete the full set of 14 basic consonants by learning the remaining 9. You'll combine them with vowels later to form complete words. Let's start with the 9 remaining Hangul consonants. Number 6.
디귿, 드.
A soft t like in dog. At the end of a syllable, it changes to tu. The tongue lightly touches the roof of your mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms ta, pronounced ta.
다.
Number 7.
리을, 르.
Between R and L. At the beginning of a word, it often sounds like a soft R like in run. In the middle or end of a word, it usually sounds like L like in leaf. Your tongue flicks against the roof of your mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms ra, pronounced la.
라.
Number 8.
비읍, 부.
And be sound like in bat. At the beginning of a word it can be closer to an unaspirated soft P sound, while between vowels it often sounds like B. The shape represents a closed mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms pa, pronounced ba.
바.
Number 9.
지읒, 즈.
And ch sound like in jam, but softer and unaspirated. Represents the teeth with the tongue slightly raised. Example with the vowel a, this forms ch, pronounced ja.
자.
Number 10.
치읓, 츠.
Similar to ch chew and chat, but strongly aspirated, a clear burst of air. It's sharper than chew. It's chew with an extra stroke, showing more breath. Example with the vowel a, this forms pronounced chas in cha.
차.
Number 11.
키읔, 그.
Similar to K and kite, but strongly aspirated with a burst of air. stronger than ku. Analogy, it's ku with an added stroke, meaning more air. Example with the vowel a, this forms ka, pronounced ka.
가, 가.
Number 12.
티읕, 티읕, 두, 두.
Similar to t and top, but strongly aspirated. Stronger and more pronounced than to. It's to with an added stroke, meaning more air. Example with the vowel a, this forms ta, pronounced ta.
다, 다.
Number 13.
피읕, 피읕, 푸, 푸.
Similar to p and pot, but strongly aspirated. Stronger than pu. Built from pu with an extra stroke for more breath. Example with the vowel a, this forms pa, pronounced pa.
파, 파.
Number 14.
히읗, 히읗, 흐, 흐.
Similar to h and hat. It's a soft, breathy sound and can slightly change the pronunciation of the following vowel. The open circle shows the throat, the stroke shows airflow. Example with the vowel a, this forms ha, pronounced ha.
하, 하.
Practice time. Write each consonant with a and read aloud.
다, 라, 바, 자, 차, 가, 타, 파, 하.
Today we're learning Korean tense consonants, or songchom. Let's jump in. Korean has 5 tense consonants.
끄, 뜨, 푸, 스, 츠.
They're like their regular partners ku, tu, pu, su, chu, but pronounced with a little more tension and strength. Think of them as the bold version of the sound. Number 1, let's learn Songkyeok pronounced ku.
끄,
끄,
This is the stronger version of ku. The base sound is ku. You make the same sound as ku, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example kachi, it means magpie. Repeat after me.
까치,
까치,
Example with the vowel a, this forms ka, pronounced ka.
까,
Number 2, let's learn Songtikuk pronounced tu.
뜨,
뜨,
This is the stronger version of tu. The base sound is to tu. You make the same sound as tu, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example tong, it means land or ground. Repeat after me.
땅,
땅,
Example with the vowel a, this forms ta, pronounced ta.
따,
Number 3, let's learn Songpyu pronounced pu.
뿌,
뿌,
This is the stronger version of pu. The base sound is pu. You make the same sound as pu, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example pong, it means bread. Repeat after me.
빵,
빵,
Example with the vowel a, this forms pa, pronounced pa.
빠,
Number 4, let's learn Songseok pronounced su.
스,
스,
This is the stronger version of su. The base sound is su. You make the same sound as su, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example, see, it means Mr. or Ms. And sita, it means to wash. Repeat after me.
시,
시,
씻다,
씻다,
Example with the vowel a, this forms sa, pronounced sa. Number 5, let's learn Songchiuk pronounced chu.
쯔,
쯔,
This is the stronger version of chu. The base sound is chu. You make the same sound as chu, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example chata, it means salty. Repeat after me.
짜다,
짜다,
Example with the vowel a, this forms cha, pronounced ja.
짜,
Let's compare the normal versus tense consonants with the vowel a. Repeat after me.
가, 까, 다, 따, 빠, 빠, 사, 싸, 자, 짜,
Practice time.
까, 따, 빠, 싸, 짜.
Awesome work today. You learned all 5 tense consonants and you practiced them with real Korean words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.